How to manually sync your to-do tasks and project data. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can manually sync your to-do tasks and project data. So how do you do it? The first step is to sign in into your to-do account. Once you're signed in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, you'll see you see some options by the left side, which include add task, search, inbox, today, upcoming, etc. All right, so the next step is to go to the top left corner and click on your profile icon. After clicking on your profile icon, a box will be displayed. In this box, you'll see your name, settings, add a team, activity log, print, resources, upgrade your team, then sync. Just go ahead and click on it, just like that. And then to show syncing, and then just like that, your project data and your to do it and your to do it tasks will be synced together. It's just so simple. All right. Now, if your to do it isn't syncing automatically, this manual sync should update your tasks and project with the latest changes. Okay. And if perhaps you encounter any issues after following these steps, you may need to troubleshoot the issue further by asking the customer support, and then you'll be fine. Okay, but so far this is how to do. You just click on sync, and just like that, your the tax and your project data will be synced together. So that is it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.